Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you've been well. I'm out here in Moab. Toyota brought me out to go rip around in their Tacoma for a little while. And they also said my cooking sucks too much. So they brought a pro chef out, Adam Glick. So he's actually picking up some food right now, but he'll swing back around, load up the fridge, and then we're gonna head out for a few days. Four-wheel drive Toyota Owner Magazine actually built this truck. So they put some pretty good components on it. We have a CBI bumper up front with a winch. What's really exciting for me is a Magnuson supercharger under the hood, which people have been asking me to put one on my Tacoma for a while, so we'll see how that runs. We've got some methods wrapped in KM3s, and it's a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. So CBI skid plates as well, and then CBI sliders along the side with the Prinsu rack up top. And we got a bunch of accessories kind of running up and down, some max tracks and some roto packs. Around back, we have a CBI steel bumper with dual swing outs, full size spare, and then power tank, high lift jack. And then around up top, we have a roll up bed cover from Truck Covers and Yakima crossbars and a rooftop tent, which I've actually never used before. So it'll be cool opening that baby up. Over here on this side too, this is a factory TRD Pro, I call it a snorkel. I think they call it like a desert air intake. And then diving a little bit deeper into suspension, we have cambered upper control arms with Toytech Boss. And I believe they're 2.5-inch reservoirs. So stoked to see how this is gonna handle when we hit the trails. So as we're loading up here, we grabbed a Dometic CFX3, and we're just gonna hook it right into the AC outlet in the back, actually. It's cool that Tacomas have this powered AC outlet, so that is gonna keep all of Adam's food nice and cool while we drive. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Got the goods?
Yeah, man, I just went to the best meat market. That there is 62-day aged prime rib, okay?
Ooh.
If we're gonna be out on the trail, we're gonna cook right out of the back of the truck.
All right, let's load up.
Yeah, man.
How'd you get into the outdoors in general?
My dad tried to get us to a lot of national parks and stuff as a kid. And I was an Army brat, so we were moving all the time. So just kind of the spirit of exploration was kind of instilled in me at a young age.
My feeling for traveling outdoors, you know, I've always been out on the ocean. And when you can go from port to port to port, seeing a new thing every single time you make landfall, that is overlanding, right? It's the exact same concept.
Overwatering.
Overwatering. I like
Overseeing,
that.
maybe.
That's great, I love that.
All right, I think we're gonna leave the pavement here.
Let's go.
Time to hit a trail. Let's see what this supercharger's got.
Man, it's got some juice, I can feel it already.
Yeah, get you back in the seat a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is sick. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Hope you're not afraid of heights, dude.
So that
Yeah.
river is green. It's like as green as it gets.
Yeah, it's like got some mineral deposits.
It must have
or
some,
something.
yeah, something extra going on in there.
So we're gonna head back up Mineral Bottom Trail, back up to the top, and try and find a nice little spot that you can cook with a view, maybe.
Oh, okay, now we're talking.
Unreal. I mean, that's got to be what, a 2,000-foot drop?
From the top?
1,500 foot?
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah, I bet
I mean,
1,500.
I feel like we're getting into the Grand Canyon. You know, I think my favorite part about seeing these cliff sides and just Utah in general, the way it's laid out, when you're driving around, you see those layers. It's like you can just take a step back in time, you know.
To think of, just like all the millions of years.
It's just mind-blowing, right?
These are kind of fun. These are like rally turns for me.
Don't look down. What?
It's dope.
Dude, this is incredible. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Oh my gosh.
That's where I want to eat dinner, right there.
All right.
I like to bring shelf-stable ingredients. I feel like people don't cook outdoors because they feel like they have to bring the whole kitchen sink.
Yeah.
But you don't. You can throw a grill on the tailgate and chop up some potatoes and away you go, man. Look at this. We're about to have a 5-star meal. Got that beautiful 62-day aged ribeye sliced up right next to the bone. Sweet potatoes grilled, a little bit of salt and pepper, asparagus, and this is that beautiful Frenchy demi with that pale ale reduction. Let's eat. Excited as you are. 62-day aged.
That is delicious.
A little salt, a little pepper, a little fire, and a good view.
Adam, man, what a great way to end the day.
It's so much fun.
Delicious. Really looking forward to the trails tomorrow and what you're gonna whip up then.
What do you want to eat? How about some pizzas?
Pizzas tomorrow.
Let's rock and roll. Ow.